Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we review the latest kitchen gadgets out there. Today, we are going to compare two of the most popular air fryers in the market, Ninja Max XL Air Fryer and Chefman Air Fryer. Stay tuned till the end to see which one comes out on top. The Ninja Max XL Air Fryer is priced at $169, while the Chefman Air Fryer comes in at a more affordable price of $105. The Chefman Air Fryer is definitely more budget-friendly. Both air fryers have a sleek and modern design. However, the Chefman Air Fryer is more compact in size, making it easier to store in smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. The Ninja Max XL Air Fryer has a larger capacity, which is perfect for families. Both air fryers have multiple cooking programs and settings. However, the Ninja Max XL Air Fryer boasts of its Max Crisp technology, which supposedly cooks 30% faster compared to the Chefman Air Fryer. The Chefman Air Fryer, on the other hand, uses at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making your food healthier. Cleaning is a breeze with both air fryers, as they have non-stick baskets that are dishwasher safe. But the Chefman Air Fryer has a flat frying tray, making it even easier to clean. Ninja Max XL Air Fryer and Chefman Air Fryer both come with a 1-year warranty. However, the Chefman Air Fryer also has CETL approval and advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. And that's a wrap, folks. So which one is the winner? Well, it really depends on your needs and preferences. If you are on a budget and need a compact air fryer, then Chefman Air Fryer is the way to go. But if you have a big family and need a larger capacity air fryer with faster cooking time, then the Ninja Max XL Air Fryer is the perfect choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.